In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Google Earth Flight Simulator. So this is actually quite easy. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Google Earth Pro. Then you want to go to Google's website, which says Earth Versions, and you want to click this. And then you want to make sure you click over here where it says Google Earth Pro on desktop. Simply press this, and it will direct you down here to where it says Download Earth Pro on desktop. And then you simply want to download it, which is this thing over here, and then simply open it, and it will automatically install the Google Earth Pro onto your computer. Now, once you're inside your computer, it will look something like this. Once you're inside the program, it will look something like this. And then the way to play this flight simulator is by first having, of course, a mouse and keyboard or a joystick, okay? You can play it with both. So there's two ways of accessing this. In the menu, you have to click Tools up here, and then press Enter Flight Simulator. Alternatively, as you can see, if you want a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus A, and it will open up, or on Mac, Command plus Option plus A, okay? So you want to open this up, and then you can first choose which aircraft you would like to have. So you have the F-16 and the SR-22. You can read about them, and then also you can select where you want to take off. So if you want the current view, or if you want to take off from a certain airport. So as you can see, you can choose whichever you would like over here. Let's say I want to go to Los Angeles, and then you want to simply press Start Flight. And as you can see, your flight will start. The Google Earth will load in. It's loading in still for me. And then you simply want to use your arrow keys on your keyboard and the up key and the mouse on your mouse or the joystick, and therefore you'll be able to play this and successfully take off and navigate your plane around Google Earth. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.